Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to solve date and time on Redmi mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on setting. After that you have to scroll like this. Okay, just keep scrolling and here on the down you are going to find this password and security. So sorry, you have to click on this additional setting. You have to click on additional setting here. After you have been click on it, here you can see date and time, so click on date and time. Then here you have to off at first this one, use network provided time, just off it. When you off it, here you can fix now that. Okay, you can fix the date or the year, the month. After fixing it, just click on OK. Then after that, now fix the time. You can fix the time am pm, click on OK. So in place of fixing again and again, you just click here, use network provided time. Okay, you just use directly the network provided time. No need to use again, no need to solve again and again date and time. Okay, you just use directly the use network provided time, right? And friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. And thanks for watching.